Once your butterfly is relaxed, carefully hold the specimen under its thorax between your thumb and forefinger. Gently squeeze the thorax and the wings should separate slightly. From the top, insert a pin through the center of the thorax. Pin the butterfly to the spreading board by setting its body into the center groove of the board and pushing the pin half an inch into the board. You can slide the butterfly up and down on the pin until the bottom of the wings are even with the top surface of the board. You will need some strips of wax or tracing paper. This is used to hold the wings in place. When I am spreading my wings, I first go with the area that I'm not going to do first and pin down those wings. This just gets them out of the way so then I can pay my full attention to the other set of wings. Using a forceps, pull the wings up and out and place the wax paper when you feel they are in the right position. Then place pins around the wings, but not into the wings. Then do the other side. For the antennae, you can cross 2 pins over to make a V position. The butterflies will take about 1 to 2 days to dry, or until the wings will stay flat when the pins are removed. Once the butterfly is completely dry, very carefully remove the pins and strips and transfer the butterfly to the display case. Sometimes you will need to rotate a butterfly's head to get it in the correct position. Hold it in place with pins. Once an insect is dry, a drop of white glue where the wings attach to the thorax or at the leg joints will reduce the possibility of an appendage falling off. Do this before removing the insect from the pinning board. Be very careful when handling the butterflies as they are fragile. Pay special attention to butterflies as the fine scales of their wings can be easily rubbed off, taken away from the color and beauty of the specimens. Please enjoy watching the process and follow along with me. And feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.